Hello everyone, it's Nitika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing best cleanser for all skin type. So here I'm pouring 2 spoons of milk in a bowl and add 2 pinch of salt into it. Before apply this, wash your face with face wash and pat dry it. Now apply this mixture in circular motion with piece of cotton and leave it for 10 minutes. Now what it really does to our skin, so it works as a mild exfoliator and cleanser and also a pack which removes the dust, dead cells and bacteria which cause severe problems to our skin, just like pimples, acne, pustules. It also cleans our pores and our skin feels so soft and fresh. Milk is also a mild exfoliator, so it also lightens the dark area. Use this mixture twice in a week for deep cleansing. I hope this video helps you a lot. Then do subscribe to my channel guys for more videos, and also click on the bell icon to get all upcoming video notification. Thanks for watching.